My name is Tom Zanto. I'm the head of Access Services here at the Zano Library at Saginaw Valley State University. Processing the extraordinary gift of Mr. Follett's materials was and remains a team effort with the guidance of Dr. Ramey. Professional librarians, staff, and specialized student workers have spent considerable time and effort to make these materials available to the public. It begins with Jack Wood, the archivist, who was tasked with organizing this massive collection. 168 boxes of papers, manuscripts, notebooks, and research materials were grouped by the title of the book or script and in chronological order. That structure is visible in our research guide for the Ken Follett papers. In addition to providing an annotated inventory, Mr. Wood also created virtual exhibits. The research process exhibit is based on materials for Triple, On Wings of Eagles, Lie Down with Lions, A Dangerous Fortune, and The Third Twin. The creative process exhibit is based on Vaulting and Allegiance. Finally, the Ken Follett Collection virtual tour includes a wide variety of materials from the entire collection. Catherine Curtis, a librarian with a specialized background in archival preservation, took up the challenge of placing the materials in more protective containers. The emphasis was on the long-term preservation of the original artifacts. This goal is also reflected in the placement of the materials in secure storage after the digitization process was completed. Mr. Follett's generosity made possible the full-scale digitization of his materials. In addition, he graciously permitted unrestricted access to the public. The initial scanning took 4 years. Once completed, these documents were then linked to the research guide entries. The last part of this process is the careful cataloging and description of these materials in our digital archives. Our metadata librarian, Heather Fisher, provides an excellent description of this process. While the majority of this collection is available 24/7 from anywhere in the world, our archives also has copies of Mr. Follett's books, including those published under the pseudonyms including Martin Martinson, Bernard L. Ross, and Simon Miles. Some are no longer commercially available, yet can be viewed in the archives by appointment.